Welcome back. If negative x is equal to negative 2, then x should be equal to 2. The question is how and why? Let's start with a segment of the number line. To begin with, we are focusing on the 0. To the right side we have a 2 and the left side we have a negative 2. The distance from 0 to 2 is the same equal distance from 0 to negative 2. They are equidistant from 0. So 2 plus negative 2 is equal to 0 and negative 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. Negative 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. Extending the same to the variables, we can say negative x plus x equals 0. We are using the idea of zero pairs. Let's revisit the question. If negative x equals negative 2, then x should equal 2. So let's dig into how it is possible and the reasoning behind why it can be so. Let's see what we know so far. We know the zero pair, negative x plus x should equal 0. We also know that negative x is equal to negative 2. Let's mark this. So negative x is nothing but negative 2. We also know that the sum of the two numbers should be equal to 0. So the question is, what should x be equal to? So as you can see on the number line, the only option we have for x is to be equal to 2. Because negative 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. If negative x is equal to negative 2, x has to be equal to 2.